Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, December 17th. And you can see temperatures in the 30s. Actually, some of the cooler temperatures down across southeast lower Michigan. As winds come around the southwest, they avoid the lake down in this area so they can get a little bit colder. And we're going to see an overall pretty chilly few days coming up. When I say chilly, we might get down kind of close to normal. Normal lows are in the upper teens, so you can see we're a good 20 degrees above normal. But we're going to see a chance of a few snow flurries and snow showers for later today into early Friday. And then I think as a trough moves around that upper low, I think a good chance of snow showers for later tomorrow, into tomorrow night, and into very early Saturday. Right now it looks like inland areas mainly just a dusting, and but snow belt areas of southwest lower Michigan along that I-94 corridor, and we'll show you that in a minute, I think have a chance to pick up anywhere from 1 inch across the eastern areas to around 4 inches as you get back towards southwest lower Michigan. You can see on the low-level wind flow right now, you can see our winds are out of the southwest, but we've got an overall northerly component back off to our west, pivoting around to a west. This looks like it's going to be a west wind lake effect event. So again, the areas near the thickest part of the lake of the curvature would be along that I-94 corridor, where I think the best chance of snow showers set up, especially for later tomorrow. You can see on the weather map this morning that low pressure system north of Lake Superior. Again, the cold front well off to our east, but you can see spokes of troughs that will continue to swing around that upper low. And as that moves to the east, the coldest air will come in from west to east across the state. Again, bringing the areas around southwest lower Michigan the best chance for accumulating snow, and across northwest Michigan as well. Also, if we take a look at the weather forecast map for tomorrow morning, you see the low pressure well off to the north towards Hudson Bay. Again, these spokes of low pressure moving around it, bringing that snow across the southern part of the state. And finally, by Saturday morning, again, a chance of a few snow showers. However, we're going to quickly see a new system develop across the Rockies, and that's going to head towards the Great Lakes and bring a chance of rain as we get into Sunday night, but especially for Monday. And if we take a look at snowfall here over the next 36 to 48 hours, you can see that I-94 corridor lake effect snow event gives the best chances of snow across southwest lower Michigan, north towards Charlotte and towards Ann Arbor, and then across northwest lower Michigan as well. You can see on the eastern side of Lake Superior in Canada and up near New York off Lake Erie, again indicating a west to east snow lake effect snow event. And if we look at the system we expect to move out of the Rockies into the area for Sunday night and Monday, you can see low pressure across Wisconsin. We'll bring in some moisture. It now looks like about a quarter to a half inch precipitation event with that system coming through early in the week. And then we could see a bigger system as we get towards Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. Still a lot of the models not indicating a whole lot of rain out of these two systems. But I think, again, we'll look at about a quarter to half inch, and we'll update this over the weekend as we get more information on these two storms for next week. But it's going to be quite warm. In fact, I think Christmas Eve we could see high temperatures in the 50s, maybe even the low 60s across southeast lower Michigan. And you can see on the GFS model a couple of days ago we had 60-degree temperatures all the way up to the northern part of lower Michigan. It's continuing to suppress that low pressure system farther and farther southeast, so we get less and less into the warm air, but still mid-50s for Christmas Eve, not too bad, and maybe 60 as you get down towards Toledo. So we'll keep an eye on the temperature trends as they continue to be a little bit cooler towards the end of next week. And there's even hints that we could see a clipper system move into the area by late next weekend that could bring snow to the area. But again, that's mainly on the GFS. That's the first run that's shown that. So we'll kind of watch that as well. But certainly there are some signs that we are going to start turning a little bit more wintry-like down the road, but not for next week. Lots of warm conditions. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day. And 73s to all.